What is up guys, this is Jay here and welcome to yet another video of Tricky Solution. And in this video I'm gonna show you how you can share your location to your friends or anyone through WhatsApp. And very first process, you have to go WhatsApp app, and suppose you want to share your location with this person, or I want to share my location with this person, and then first process I have to tap on plus sign. Then you can see the 5 options here and tap on location, and here you have to tap on share live location, and you can custom your time and how much time you want to share your live location with this person. And here I have already selected 1 hour. Then tap on arrow sign, and what you can see it's already shared my live location, and the other person can see where I am in. And this is the way how you can share your live location. I hope you guys got the solution and you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you.